Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand at the precipice of a new year, we find ourselves not merely armed with hopes and resolutions, but cradling a treasure trove of lessons gathered from the tapestry of our past. Today, I beckon each of you to embark on a deeply personal odyssey, a quest to rebuild your life. But how do we ignite this journey? How do we transform the ashes of past failures into the sturdy foundation of new beginnings? Imagine, if you will, a phoenix rising from the smoldering remnants of yesterday's dreams, its vibrant plumage a testament to resilience. Each lesson learned is a feather, each setback a spark that fuels our ascent. Let us navigate the labyrinth of our experiences, weaving through the shadows and into the light, hand in hand. Remember when we thought we couldn't go on? A voice might whisper from the back of the room, echoing shared struggles. But here we are, ready to soar. Indeed, it is within those whispered moments of reflection that we glean strength. As we take our first steps on this path, let us listen closely to the heartbeat of hope that resonates within us. The air is thick with possibility, each breath a promise waiting to be fulfilled. Together, let's turn our gaze toward the horizon, where dawn breaks with infinite potential. With every step forward, let us embrace the beauty of uncertainty, for it is in the unknown that we discover our true selves. Let us embark on a journey of self-ownership, where our stories become the ink that colors our lives. Each setback, each failure, every heart-wrenching moment we endure carries with it a hidden lesson, waiting to be unearthed like a precious gem buried beneath layers of rock. The past does not imprison us. Rather, it prepares us, sculpting our resilience like a master artisan chiseling away at marble. Consider Sarah, a spirited young entrepreneur whose dreams crashed and burned amid the chaos of the pandemic. In the wake of her startup's demise, she found herself ensnared in a web of bankruptcy and despondency, a shadowy place where hope seemed a distant memory. Yet, rather than allowing despair to suffocate her ambitions, Sarah chose to rise. She became an alchemist of her experiences, dissecting every misstep with meticulous precision, dissecting wisdom that no textbook could ever impart. Today, she stands tall at the helm of a thriving tech company, a phoenix reborn from the ashes of failure. Her journey whispers to us, reminding us that our past is not a shackle, it is our most profound teacher, a treasure trove of insights that fuels our growth. So let us embrace our narratives, for they are woven with threads of hardship and triumph. Through Sarah's tale, we learn that every stumble is not an end, but a stepping stone towards something greater, a testament to the resilience that resides within us all. But learning from the past is merely the prologue. The next chapter beckons you to craft a future that ignites your soul, a future you would dare to battle for. Picture yourself 5 years down the winding road of time. Who have you become? What pursuits capture your essence? More importantly, what fuels your fire? Vision transcends mere goals. It embodies purpose. It is the steadfast anchor that holds you steady amid tempests, propelling you toward horizons unseen. Consider Marcus, a once homeless veteran who roamed the desolate alleys of despair, cloaked in shadows. He dared to envision a different tomorrow, one where he could extend a hand to those lost in the same darkness he had known. Today, Marcus stands tall at the helm of a nonprofit, a lighthouse guiding homeless veterans back to shores of hope and dignity. Clarify your vision. It is the radiant beacon that will illuminate your path through the deepest night, reminding you that even in the bleakest moments, there lies a purpose worth fighting for. Vision without action is but a fleeting dream, a wisp of smoke dissolving in the morning light. This year, let us be dreamers who dare to tread the path of doing. Action is the chisel that carves success from the unyielding stone of mediocrity. It's not the sweeping gestures that echo through time. Rather, it's the quiet rhythm of daily diligence, the small, deliberate steps that lead us toward transformation. Consider Lisa, a name that has become synonymous with resolve. She faced her battle with obesity not as a monolith to conquer, but as a series of choices, each one a brushstroke on the canvas of her life. One day she swapped soda for water. Another, she took a brisk walk beneath the golden embrace of autumn leaves. With each passing day, like petals unfurling in spring, she shed not just pounds, but the weight of doubt that had long clung to her spirit. So that is, over 2 years, she metamorphosed, losing more than 100 pounds, a testament to her unwavering commitment. Lisa didn't wait for the stars to align or for a flawless blueprint to materialize. She began with what she had and where she stood, wielding determination like a sword against her fears. Her journey reminds us that greatness isn't bestowed. It blooms through consistent, courageous action, each small choice igniting the spark of transformation within us all. Well, on this winding path of life, change awaits around every corner, whispering its secrets and challenges. How you choose to dance with that change ultimately shapes your future. Embrace it with open arms, for each shift in the tide carries within it a treasured trove of opportunities, fresh trials, and the chance to blossom anew. Take, for instance, the tale of Alex, a man whose world crumbled when the industry he had devoted himself to faltered. Instead of clinging desperately to the remnants of his past, he chose to leap into the unknown. With courage as his compass, he retrained in the vibrant realm of digital marketing, his spirit ignited by the thrill of discovery. Today, he stands tall as a top executive at a leading firm, a testament to resilience and reinvention. It's a testament to resilience and reinvention. For Alex, change did not signal an ending. Rather, it unfurled before him like the petals of a spring flower, heralding a breathtaking new beginning. As we dance with change, we must also cultivate new habits, those delicate threads that weave the fabric of our lives. Success is not a fleeting moment, but a symphony of daily practices, a rhythm that resonates through each sunrise and sunset. It's the choices we make day in and day out that sculpt our destinies like a sculptor chiseling away at marble. And each dawn, as the sun spills golden light across the horizon, pause to ask yourself, does what I'm about to embark upon today harmonize with my vision? If the answer drifts away like autumn leaves in the wind, it's time to recalibrate your compass. For powerful habits are not merely paths, they are the bridges that lead us to the shores of our ultimate aspirations, beckoning us forward into the embrace of possibility. No one embarks on the journey of rebuilding their life in solitude. We are like ships adrift, yearning for mentors, supporters, and a community that lifts us from the depths of despair. Forge connections that ignite your spirit and empower your every step. Surround yourself with souls who not only champion your dreams, but also dare you to stretch beyond your limits, to flourish like wildflowers in the sun. Keep in mind, the right relationships are the wind in your sails, multiplying your strength and propelling you toward horizons yet unseen. As you tread this winding path, take a moment to revel in each triumph, no matter how minuscule it may seem. Every step forward is a note in the symphony of your journey, deserving of applause. These celebrations, like gentle flames, ignite your spirit and propel you onward, illuminating the way ahead. They whisper to you that progress, in all its myriad forms, is a vital thread woven into the tapestry of your grand vision. So, as we gear up for 2025, I challenge each of you, rebuild your life, not with fear, but with courage, not with doubt, but with determination, not alone, but together. Let's make this year about transformation, about becoming the best versions of ourselves. Let's rebuild not just our lives, but also inspire others to do the same. Are you ready to take the first step? Because, my friends, together we are unstoppable.